Hi friends, we are here at another damaged house. This one is located in a lower end neighborhood. They are asking $70,000 for this house. The value after repairs is around $250,000 for this house. Looking at the neighborhood and the street, it looks pretty clean, pretty nice, so that's a good plus. From the outside, you can see that the driveway have collapsed. This is due to the dirt and the soil moving out from over time. And also you see some brick that has some sign of cracking. That could be a sign of foundation problem. However, it could be just stress over time that the brick kind of give out. We will have to take a closer look at the foundation once we go inside. As far as the roof, it looked like they did some repair and some patch up. It's usable, but for us reselling it, we probably have to replace it. If you are doing a rental afterward, you can patch up the roof and keep it as it is, but for reselling, it's not gonna fly. Let's go inside and take a closer look and see if we can make some money from this house. From the outside walking in, you can see that the concrete step has collapsed. That's from the soil erosion. We probably have to redo a lot of concrete from the driveway to the step in the patio in the back. On the inside, it looked like half the house has been cut up and they are showing new wiring. This could be from the flooding of this house, and on top they also tore some sheetrock to kind of trace the ceiling electrical wiring. This is the kitchen part. You have the area where the cabinet is gonna go. As far as the foundation on the inside, it looks pretty even and solid. So the stress, the cracked brick on the outside could just be that it was stressed and cracked by itself without any sign of foundation problem. This is one of the living room here. Same thing. It seems like they are doing a lot of rewiring, so they are ripping up the sheetrock, the ceiling, the studs, and of course all the flooring you see on the inside, it looked like it needs to be replaced. Even the wood floor, it's buckling in some area. This is a pretty spacious house. It looks like it has a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and a separate living, dining, and den area. You can see this den area has some vaulted ceiling. It looks pretty nice. You do see sign of mold from the wetness on the ceiling. That could be from the roof patching and the roof leak. Let me know what you think. Is $70,000 for this house worth it, considering that the neighborhood and the value range after repairs is around $250,000 for this house? Would you buy it? Would you negotiate with them? And what price do you think is doable? Take care. I will talk to you next time at another location.